What's up guys, welcome back to our vlog on channel. So we're doing absolutely great, and I know it's been like decades since I've uploaded any video on my channel. I know I've been inactive all these days. Still I'm trying to get back to doing these vlogs and stuff, and today we are heading to a great place. I hope you might have seen the title. Yes, we are going for Gandikota. It's just for like kilometers away from Hyderabad. Let's get started.
One eternity later.
Just stopped for a tea break. That temperature is freaking crazy cool, man. Seriously, I can't even express how I'm feeling right now. I can feel cool under my feet even after wearing a huge these Park shoes. Just done now with the tea break and we are leaving. I know it's been like just half an hour since we started. Temperature is freaking cool, and now we're just getting started for Gandikota. Let's see how it goes. And here comes the Happy Rider moto. And
not so freaking, very freaking. We just stopped here for breakfast.
Oh, really?
It's 8:30 in the morning. Now I can see sun over there. Where is he, man? Where's heading or somewhere? Yeah, here he is. Damn, man, freaking cool. I just can't even feel my fingers. Seriously, this feels really good, man. Just reached Karnool and we are here in this Penna. This is my second time visit, but the first time I haven't been to this. I haven't been over there. Now we are heading over there. Let's see how it looks. The first time I didn't visit. I just came here and just went there. That's it. Let's go up and see how it looks from top view. Okay. This top view and heading to another top view. Let's see how it looks. This is how the top looks. It's not too great, but fine. Finally, we just reached this Nawab Palace. So it's also called as what you can say, Arundhati's Palace. I hope you might have noticed it. So, what is his name? I'm not remembering his name. Pasupati, yes, he's the one who used to live in this palace and Arundhati. Let's get inside and see how does it look. Unfortunately, we don't have an entry inside that thing, inside this palace. Oh, let's see something we got over here. Damn, man, this looks really horrible. Everywhere they just crowd their names and we can see birds over there flying outside. Damn, man, is it bathroom or what? Shit, is it washroom? Yes, of course it is. Of course, it is a washroom. That's it. We have nothing left to see over here. Just a small palace, which is so-called Nizam Palace, and they have showed us this Arundhati thing. Not much interesting. That's it. Someone is calling Pasupati, who is dead for years. That's it. We have nothing left. We just reached this Gandikota and we are about to get inside the tents and all. We are in search of the tents. Already we have registered, we booked the tents and all. We're just waiting for the person. Let's see. At last we just reached this location. I just don't have words to express the beautiness of this location. I don't know whether my phone will justify this view. Mind blowing, my mind is just blowing. I just can't express my words to describe this location and enjoy the view. 3, 2, 1.